Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about easy ways to save energy costs. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Switch off standby. You can save a lot of money just by remembering to turn your appliances off standby mode. Almost all electrical appliances can be turned off at the plug without upsetting their programming. You may want to think about getting a standby saver or smart plug that allows you to turn all your appliances off standby in one go. Check the instructions for any appliances you aren't sure about. Some satellite and digital TV recorders may need to be left plugged in so they can keep track of any programs you want to record. 2. Draught-proof windows and doors. Unless your home is very new, you will lose some heat through draughts around doors and windows, gaps around the floor, or through the chimney. Professional draught-proofing of windows and doors and blocking cracks in floors and skirting boards can cost a little too much but can save a large amount every year on energy bills. DIY draught-proofing can be much cheaper. 3. Turn off the lights. Turn your lights off when you're not using them or when you leave a room. This will save you around $20 a year on your annual energy bills. Replacing all the lights in your home with LED bulbs could help you save even more. 4. Careful with your washing. You can save around $30 a year from your energy bill just by using your washing machine more carefully. Use your washing machine on a 30-degree cycle instead of higher temperatures. Reduce your washing machine use by 1 run per week for a year. 5. Avoid the tumble dryer. Avoid using a tumble dryer for your clothes. Dry clothes on racks inside where possible or outside in warmer weather to save $60 a year. 6. Spend less time in the shower. Keeping your shower time to just 4 minutes could save a typical household $70 a year on their energy bills. 7. Swap your bath for a shower. Some of us might enjoy a long soak in the bath, but swapping just one bath a week with a 4-minute shower could save you $12 a year on your energy bills. 8. Be savvy in the kitchen. Kettles are one of the most used appliances in the kitchen, but many of us will admit that we at least occasionally boil the kettle with more water than we're going to use. Avoid overfilling the kettle and save yourself $11 a year on your electricity bill. You could also consider fitting an aerator onto your existing kitchen tap to reduce the amount of water coming out without affecting how it washes or rinses. An aerator is a small gadget with tiny holes. They attach to the spout of taps and are cheap and easy to install and could save you $25 a year. 9. Fill your dishwasher. Only run your dishwasher when it is full to reduce the amount of water you use. Reducing your dishwasher use by 1 run per week for a year could save you $15. 10. Top up the insulation. Effective insulation of your hot water cylinder is important. Even if you have thin spray foam or a loose 25mm jacket, you can benefit from increasing the insulation to a British standard jacket of 80mm thick, saving $35 a year in the process. Insulating your water tank, pipes, and radiators is a quick and easy way to save money on your bills. 11. Wash your clothes in cold water. Washing clothes is a necessary chore and part of the weekly routine of most people. It is also an energy-intensive one, especially if you use warm water. In fact, the majority of energy used during the clothes washing process goes towards warming water. There are many possible economic benefits to using cold water as well, with consumers potentially able to save more than $50 a year by reducing the temperature of their washing water by 15 degrees. There are even reports that washing in cold water can increase the lifespan of your clothes without damaging heat. 12. Replace your air filters. Many devices across your home use filters, including your HVAC system. These systems often come with displayed reminders to replace filters regularly. Doing so will not only help you avoid having to make costly repairs to your air conditioning, but could also save money. In fact, the Department of Energy released a report saying that replacing dirty filters regularly can reduce household energy consumption up to 15%. This is because clean filters are more efficient and put less strain on your system. 13. Use your microwave instead of your stove. Along with other household chores, Reheating food is a necessary and also energy-taxing process. Depending on your preference, a stove may preserve the flavor of food a little better. Independent of taste, however, there is evidence to suggest that a microwave is more energy efficient. The nature of a stove makes it prone to losing energy. A microwave, while using a lot of electricity, uses relatively short bursts of power for small amounts of time. 14. Use natural light. Lighting accounts for a significant amount of energy costs, and using light from the sun is an intuitive way to reduce your energy consumption. If you can, it is better to have north and south-facing windows instead of east and west. This allows for more glancing light that produces heat and limits harsh light in the winter, while east and west-facing windows allow for more direct sunlight. They aren't as effective at letting heat in. 15. Dress appropriately for the weather inside and outside. While it may seem obvious to bundle up outside when it gets cold in the winter, doing so inside can also help save on your heating costs. If you are staying warm by wearing more clothes indoors, your heating system does not have to work as hard. This allows you to save money and use less energy. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.